So you're a real estate agent and you're thinking about getting on YouTube. Maybe you are already on YouTube, but you are wondering how to make an intro video for your YouTube channel or for your videos in your YouTube channel. Well, stick with me because today I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy, quick and easy way that you can create an intro video for YouTube using Canva. And we're going to hop into it right now. Mariah K here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. I'm an active and licensed real estate agent in both California and Utah, and I absolutely love helping real estate agents just like you build and scale their business through the power of social media. If that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below and make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you are notified every week we drop a new video. If you are looking to build and scale your business this modern way, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and it would be my absolute pleasure to connect with you. Hey there. So today I'm excited to share with you how to make an introduction video using Canva for YouTube. So for your YouTube videos, oftentimes you see those nice little trailers that are in the beginning or the end. And today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, quick, and easy intro video using Canva. And let me share with you what I've got on this video here. So I want to show you how to make something along those lines for whatever city you are in or for whatever niche that you are in, whatever it is that you are doing. I want to show you how that you can do this in literally minutes. So number one, if you come over here to Canva and you type in YouTube intro videos, you could put for real estate. It may not be for real estate if you're maybe are in the design or whatever it is, but whatever your specific thing is, they have like intro videos already set. They've got templates ready to go. So if you're thinking, you know what, actually, I love the lettering on this. I like the way this looks. I can use that. They give other ideas of videos too down below too. So maybe you're like, oh, you know what, this could be kind of cool. I love, this font. Maybe I can use that or whatever. So this gives you a bunch of really great, ways to get started. If you decide, you know what, I actually just totally want to do it myself, then you can go and totally create your own video as well. So let me go here and I'm going to just type in Canva. And so this will I'll walk you through exactly how to do this. I'm going to click here on video and create a new video. And on that new video, whatever state, whatever city, whatever suburb that you are in, Canva Pro actually has a ton of videos that can help you with this that really will, get you started on your intro video. If you are looking for, I'm in the description. If you don't have Canva Pro, there's a ton of free version for this as well, and a lot of videos that you can use for free. But if you want to upgrade, it's not that much extra. And in the description, I have a link if you want to get 30-day, a 30-day free trial. So if you go over here to the left-hand side to videos, and if you click in, so for me, I'm in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. So I'm actually just going to click I'm going to type in Utah. And when I type in Utah, there are all these different videos that pop up. And so I want to give you just a real quick snapshot of how I can make a quick intro video by just using some of these elements here. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a picture. Let's click on this one here. Okay. You know what? That one doesn't look as great. Let's find Utah. We think about arches, right? So we'll put a little bit of arch in there. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this cool canyon. I'm going to, let's see what else I can add in here that looks good. Oh, maybe some city scene. That looks great. And what else? you know what I'm going to type in here? Instead of Utah, I'm going to type in Park City, Utah, and that will come up with some other cool options, I'm sure. Here's some nice drone footage. Now, one thing, if you already have footage, if you already have drone footage, if you whatever, you can add in your own things. If you go to upload and you come over here to videos, you may already have videos ready to go. Just keep in mind, I'll show you this on mine. These were some videos that I took over the weekend with my family when we were going through some of the canyons, and it's really beautiful, really snowy. Just remember that if you click on this, you need to adjust the volume, and I'll show you what I mean by this. So I'm going to click in here so you can hear my kids in the background. Up here is volume. I'm going to just turn that volume off completely. So let's just say this is my video and I've got each of these little clips. I've got this first clip down here, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Okay. Depending, again, like mine that I had before here, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But each of these you can see is about 1.7 to 2-ish seconds. So really you're going to take these videos and you are going to like really condense them down. And we'll start right here from the beginning. I'm going to take this video, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and I am going to set video to the background. And then I'm just going to take that and I'm going to make it, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the next video, set as background image. And I'm going to make that another, I don't know, 1.6 seconds. We'll do the same thing for each of these, set all these videos for the background, and we'll make them each a second or 2. And I'll do that to the last couple here. And this final one. Again, you can add multiple segments if you want to this. And I'm going to scale this down. Let's say I want to put my picture in here. Again, I would probably use, more of your professional pictures. These are some ones that I had for my for some of my YouTube videos, for some of the thumbnails. But let's just pretend I use one of these here. Again, this probably would not be in my intro video, but if say I want to use this picture and I have the background image on it, what I can do is I can edit that image. I can go to BG remover, which is background remover. I'm going to remove that background. And after that background is removed, you'll be able to see this here in a second. I can apply. And then a couple of things you can do to this. You can do like the face retouch, which just kind of smooths everything over. And then you can position this picture wherever you want in the intro video as well. So I might just put myself down here. I can make myself bigger. I can make myself smaller. Again, this would not probably be like my picture that I would necessarily use in my intro video, but you get the idea. And then I can apply that. And then if I want to add some extra elements, sometimes like you saw in my video how you had, the title and you have like where I'm living. So here I can put in my text, I can have a subheader and I can put here living in Salt Lake City, and I can make that a lot larger. And I might, you can change the font to whatever you want on here. Whatever your branding is, that's a good idea to put your font, whatever branding fonts that you've got too. So I can change this also. I can animate it to, breathe or wipe or pop, whatever the different animation that you want to use for yours. I think that one kind of looks nice, breathe. So once I've got that, you can see each of these, it goes from one to the next, to the next. We've got the city scene, the country scene, we've got the mountains, right? So you kind of get the idea with that. If you want to add some different elements to it, sometimes having like the little circles going around. There's lots of different elements you can have, and you use the graphics. So you can see some of these, you know, you might have something like this kind of on the side. Again, you can play around with all these different graphics. You might say, oh, you know what, that one's not for me, but let me look at some of these other features here. Oh, maybe this might be, you know, something you want, or, you know, you can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. You know, you might have it around you. Same thing going with the text option too. You can add that text, and I could put hosted by Mariah. And again, I can make that larger. I can change the font, and I can animate it on how it comes in too. I can enlarge it. So you kind of get the idea with that. And then the last thing I wanted to show you with your intro video is how to put audio to it. So putting audio to your intro video. On the side here, I just typed in recently used, and I've got a lot of different recently used, you know, audio tracks that I have used for YouTube. But one of the things that you can do here in audio is you can type in different songs. If I don't want, you know, if I don't want that, I can, they give you a lot of different options too of, you know, trending songs and happy songs and whatever, you know, pop, epic. So if you want something that's a little bit more upbeat, or if you want whatever it is, you can type in those kind of audio tracks too. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you is how to add an audio track. If you go over to the left-hand side, you'll see audio. You can type in whatever kind of music. You can download other music on here, but I'm going to just show you what Canva has on here. And I can preview each of the audio tracks just by clicking on it. You can listen to it. You think, you know what? That might work. Or, okay, maybe I use this one instead. Okay, so there's a lot of different kind. I can, if I want, let's just say I want to use this audio track here. You can see it's going to go on longer, but I can actually make it longer, shorter. I can go ahead and click on these three little dots. I can split, you know, I can split the audio. I can make it softer. I can make it louder. I can adjust it. I can do all those different things, but kind of just to give you a quick idea of what this is all about. I'll just use this one for now, but here's an idea of our intro video. Okay, so you can see I accidentally deleted this over here, but let's go ahead and put that back in here, hosted by Mariah. And again, there are so many other elements and options that you can use on this, but at least this gives you kind of an idea of how you can even get started by using Canva, using the videos they already have for your intro video. And then if you want to upload your, you know, videos that you have, you can certainly import those in there as well. So hopefully you found this tutorial simple, easy. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to me. And again, if you are looking to build and scale your business this modern way by leveraging the power of social media, I hear from real estate agents like you all the time, and I absolutely love it. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and it would be my pleasure to connect with you. Take care and have a great one. Bye.